Hello and welcome to training video 1, which is about creating a sales order. And specifically for this video, it's a sales order that ships from inventory. Pinpoint Wire has 3 facilities that we stock product in. One is in Connellsville, Pennsylvania. One is in Gurnee, Illinois, or the Chicago area. And another one is in Birmingham, Alabama. And so when we're shipping product from either any of those locations, it's kind of a different process than if we ship from one of our vendors, which could be mostly Southwestern Wire, but also North Shore, Strapping, and some other places that we buy things that we ship to customers. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and jump right in here. We are getting a purchase order or a sales order here from, let's see, from Penny Powell uh, from America's Thrift Stores, and her product ships out of Birmingham, Alabama. So we've got PO 3899 that's here. And our first step is to jump into Acumatica. And we'll go ahead and sign in here. Pinpoint Wire. Make sure you're working in Pinpoint Wire and not Southwestern Creations, which is another company that you'll also be sending out orders from that we do tomato cages. But anyway, we're going to go here to Sales Orders. And we're going to go ahead and you can get a list of sales orders from here, and then you can click on New Record, or you could just hit New Sales Order here, unless maybe there's a quote that's already made, and then there's kind of a different process for that. But this one, we're going to start from scratch. And our customer is America's Thrift Store, America's Thrift Stores. Okay. And it's, they really have one primary location and a bunch of others. And we'll go ahead and we'll go ahead and enter the product that we're going to be shipping out. And so according to the purchase order, this has a BT09113.60C250. So basically 09 1 is 13 gauge, 13.60 is 13 feet 6 inches. BT is bale ties. And then this one has a bundle of 250 wires in one bundle. And so they want 2 bundles to ship out to this location. So we've got 13 gauge by 13.6. So if you want to look at it here, I mean, you could search and put 13 gauge, and that'll give you a list of options. There you go, BT 13.6. Now I know specifically for this that well, this is 13 gauge, see, so you got to watch out. This is different. 13.6, there it is. So, and then this automatically goes to Birmingham because that's pretty much the only one that it is stocked at for this. And so they want 2 of those. I'm going to make sure that we have the right price, $64.62. Okay, very good. And then we're going to put in under customer order number the PO, which is PO 3899. PO 3899. Okay, so we've got that information in here. We're going to just go ahead and hit save, just to make sure that we don't lose anything. And then we're going to need to enter in the shipping information. So this one just automatically defaults to Crestwood. This is going to a different spot, Prattville, 1722 East Main Street. So we go back in and override the address, 722 East Main Street. And let's see, where is that? Main Street, Prattville, Alabama. Prattville, Alabama, and what was the 36066? 36066. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and arrange the shipping. And you can, there's a few different ways you can figure out shipping. We know that anywhere that's shipping close to this area, the freight cost is going to be $65. So we type in freight to prepay and add 1, and it's $65. Okay. Now sometimes you're going to have to actually go and check, get a quote from shipping from a number of our shipping companies, but I'll show that in a different video. But for the purposes of this video, we know that it is $65. So we've got this all set up. 13.2, make sure everything, double check 129.24, make sure everything matches. It all looks good. We go ahead and save it. So now we've got this sales order, and we're going to go ahead and print the sales order. 2419. Got to remember that number. So 2419. Going to download it. And under Pinpoint Wire, under Accounts Receivable, there is Sales Orders. And this year, should we get in this year? And then we've got today's date, enter 20216, and it's 042419, and America's Thrift Store. There you go. Sometimes I like to make sure that America's Thrift Store. America's Thrift Store. There you go. And then hit save. And now you have created a sales order, and it is ready to go ahead and schedule shipment. You will go ahead and print a hard copy of this for the file, and then we'll go ahead and set up shipping. So that is creating a sales order, and next we'll go ahead and set up shipping. Thanks.